grand off-campus hiring, off-campus drive. In this video, I will tell you two grand mega off-campus drive, and this video will be very helpful to you and to your career. Want to build your career in IT field, you must have to watch this video till the end, because I am here with a huge job opportunity from uh, different companies for you. And without waste tell you, let me tell you about these off-campus drives and recruit. The first job opening and the first job drive is from MedPlus company, and eligibility is any graduation, post graduation with good analytical and coding skills. Year of graduation is 2019, 2020 and 2021. It means these 3 years of a student can apply for this drive, and they can participate in this drive. And the skill required for this drive is knowledge of core computer science concept of including data structure, algorithm, databases, operating system, and familiarity with programming in C or Java or Python. Otherwise, web development using HTML or JavaScript and CSS. Good logical reasoning skills, have to desire learn different technology and rapid pace, flexibility to adapt the change in workplace environment, and application process will be based on the application received. Candidate will be shortlisted for a written test, and they will be informed via email. If you are shortlisted, first step is you have to apply for this drive. If your resume is impactful, they shortlisted your resume, and after that they will get back to you via email, SMS, or any other technology. And shortlisted candidate who have received the email, SMS will be need to visit this site and page and reconfirm they will be appearing for the test. It means if you are available to take the test, you have to confirm from this address link, and I will give this address link into the description box. There can you find this, and I think they also will send you the same link at the email box, so don't you worry. And you have to do only apply for this and get prepared for this. And guys, this video is very helpful and very important to your career and to you, so don't skip this video for a second. Okay, watch this video till the end. I have one more job opening, so I want to explain every single thing so that you can't make any mistake. And if you make a mistake, then this will be very critical to your job sequence and job hiring sequences. So this let me tell you about evaluation process. And first round will be written test in Hyderabad, and section A multiple choice question test comprising general aptitude and logical numerical ability, core computer science and programming concept including bitwise operator, operating system concept, data structure, string manipulation, oops, basic of databases, SQL, and basic of web technologies. As section B will be a coding test comprising of 2 to 3 problems for which code need to write written, and candidate need to meet the cut-off criteria of section A and section B individually to be eligible for selection. And round 2 is in person or online. This will an interview, HR assessment, and shortlisted candidate will be notified through email. And compensation details are: starting CTC is 5.5 lakhs per annum inclusive of 50,000 per annum retention bonus, and this 50,000 will be your bonus per year and per annum. So this is very good news for you guys. And the above mentioned bonus of 50,000 per annum will be accumulated and paid as a lump sum amount 1,50,000 at the end of third year with the company. Means guys, if you are completing your third 3 year in this company MedPlus, so after completing 3 years continuously, you will be credited 1,50,000 as your bonus. So this is very good news. and all selected candidate will be eligible for annual performance appraisal leading to suitable salary increment from the end of first year onward. There will be service agreement of 2 years with the company, and the job location will Hyderabad CTC is 5.5 per lakh and position is 16. So you have to prepare very well to get placed, and 5.5 lakh per annum is enough, dude. And another thing is 1,50,000. So it's very nice, and you have to apply. And I will give the apply link into the description box. You can apply easily. This is massive recruitment drive. Don't miss it, I must say, and you must be prepared and you must be apply. So and let me tell you second job opening and second mega drive. And the second mega drive is from IT Path Solution, and IT Path Solution uh, is offering a drive for intern and fresher across India, a lifetime golden opportunity. And this drive is live from 25th to 30 September 2021. And final semester project training with stipend plus job offer. And this is collection of opportunity and learn and improve your efficiency and performance experience the latest tool and technologies, training in professional environment with expert professional development with long-term career growth, reward and recognition, and referral bonus. Eligibility criteria: BECE, and MCA, MSc So apply if you are 21 batch pass out, or apply if you are in last semester of attending 2022 batch exam. So you can apply for this job. I will put the apply link into the description box, and you have to enter some details about you and give them some information so you can apply this job. And this is very good news for you guys. And if you like the video, please press the like button, and if you are new here, please subscribe to EasyApply, because every day guys, you will receive an update about new hiring, new recruitment drives, assessment question, assessment process, interview question, interview process, all these things. And guys, I am going to add some extra opportunity and some extra update in this uh, channel. I will upload some government job also. So stay connected.